In this video, I show you how to fix Instagram voice message voice effects filter not showing problem. For fixing this problem, open your Play Store, then search Instagram. Now click on Instagram. Now up to date your Instagram to latest version. Then go to your phone settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now find out Instagram app. Tap on it. Tap on force stop. Then tap on OK. Then tap on storage and cache. Clear cache. Now open Instagram app. Now click on message. Now play. You can see that voice effects, goal, dim, any other. Now I hope that this method fix Instagram voice message, voice effects filter not working problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.